Twitter will allow users to buy and sell NFTs through tweets. Social media platform Twitter today announced that it will let users buy, sell, and display NFTs directly through tweets in partnership with 4 marketplaces. The integration, called NFT Tweet Tiles, displays the artwork of an NFT in a dedicated panel within a tweet, and includes a button to let users click through to a marketplace listing. The integration, which is still in testing, currently works with marketplaces from 4 specific partners: Solana-centric marketplace Magic Eden, multi-platform NFT marketplace Protocol Rarible, Flow blockchain creator Dapper Labs, and sports-centric platform Jump Trade. Collectively, those marketplaces span several blockchain networks, including ethereum. A Twitter representative confirmed to Decrypt that the feature is blockchain agnostic, so all networks are supported so long as the links are from a partnered marketplace. The representative added that the feature is currently being tested with select Twitter users across iOS and web, and that those users will see the NFT Tweet Tile integration if they're in the test group. A Twitter Blue Premium subscription is not required to use the feature. Twitter previously supported NFTs as verified profile pictures through its Twitter Blue subscription service in January, but it currently only supports Ethereum NFTs. Editor's note: this article was updated after publication to include comments from a Twitter representative.